Top fuel-saving tips for any car. Many drivers are feeling the pinch with the increase in fuel costs due to the Ukraine invasion by Russia. But we're here to give you some top tips on how to save a bit of money on your petrol and diesel costs. Top tips to save money. Here are our top tips. Excess baggage. Take out of the car those unnecessary items such as pushchairs, work bags or cleaning kits. Excess weight in your car will use extra fuel over time. Remove roof boxes and roof racks. As well as excess items on board, wind resistance by roof racks and boxes will use extra fuel over time. Take them off and store them in your garage. Supermarket fuel. By filling up at supermarkets you could save on average of over £70 per annum instead of using traditional roadside forecourts. On top of this, avoid filling up a motorway services where you can, as these garages levy much higher prices per litre. Reduce unnecessary trips. If your intended destination is close by, ditch the car and walk, or even cycle. Not only will you save money on fuel, but you will also increase your fitness, which in turn could result in you cancelling your gym membership. Higher octane fuels. Don't bother with the premium fuels unless your car really needs it. On average, these fuels will cost you 10p per litre more and are unlikely to make a difference unless you're driving a performance car. Keep your car maintained. Make sure your car is running nicely by maintaining it with the manufacturer's service guidelines. Check tire pressures to make sure they are correct for the load and check your levels. Use cashback card hacks. Using a cashback credit card or one that offers points may help reduce your bills over time. American Express offers a points system that you can build up and redeem against certain transactions on your latest credit card statements. There are other providers that offer these, including Barclaycard and Halifax. Heavy right foot. Don't accelerate as hard and change gear sooner to help get those MPGs higher. You could save between 5 to 10% by driving more frugally. Switch fuel types. Might seem like a no-brainer, but ditch your ICE car and swap it for a hybrid or electric car. If you're not sure how this will fit into your day-to-day lifestyle, then trial one using a car subscription. Easily compare vehicle subscriptions. If you are looking at modernizing your vehicle or need a car on more flexible terms, then try our website and see if a car subscription will help. Compare providers and find the companies that offer inclusive insurance, flexible contracts or a new fuel type such as electric or hybrid. Visit carsubscriptions.co.uk.